May I have Reno to share a few words, please?
Yellarukkum Vanakkam. A very good morning to all. I'd like to thank Dr. K.M. Cherian and Frontier Lifeline Hospitals for making me a part of this wonderful initiative. Let me tell you, I did not want a heart transplant. I was suffering with end-stage heart failure for almost 4 years. And just the thought of my heart being removed from my body, no matter how feeble and enlarged that it was, made me really sad. And the thought that someone else is declared brain dead, the family is grieving, and in that grief they are donating the organs, somewhere encouraged me to go ahead for a transplant. I'm from Bangalore. There was a severe lack of awareness way back in 2009 on Kerewa organ donation, and the one name that came out to us was Dr. K.M. Cherian. He said, go to Dr. K.M. Cherian and you're well taken care of. So, in November 2009, I flew down to Chennai and I had a successful heart transplant. 15 days later, I was back in Bangalore with a new heart, whom I call Angel. Very soon I realized that I was not an exceptional case. There were so many patients out there who were suffering from end-stage heart failure, and heart transplant had not picked pace. So I felt the need to go out there and tell people what organ donation and heart transplantation can do in a patient's life. There are a lot of people who've come up to me in the last 7 to 8 years saying they want to be an angel. And I think seeing is believing. So be it a marathon, be it a cyclothon, be it singing with my donor heart, anything I do is special because it is with my donor heart. And organ donation is the most beautiful gift one can give to a fellow human being. The best part I like, the best thing about organ donation is it teaches us to look beyond everything that divides us. There is no Hindu, Muslim or Christian heart. There's no male, female, a kid's heart, senior citizen's heart. It doesn't matter. There's no black, white or brown heart. It's a human heart, And it's so beautiful that even though my heart is not there, my donor heart is beating, pumping life in me for the last 8 years. So that's the most amazing thing. And as you all have taken a pledge today, I'd like to urge you, please go home, talk to your family members about it. Family consent plays a very vital role in converting brain death into an organ donation. So talk to your family about it and get their consent. Have a conversation on your dinner table whenever you can. Talk to your friends. It helps. It helps. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Reno.